English tongue twisters for you. A proper copper coffee pot. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. She sells seashells by the seashore. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. I saw Susie sitting in a shoeshine shop. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can? I scream. You scream. We all scream. For ice cream. I saw a saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw. How many cans can a canner can? If a canner can cans, but a bit of better butter will make my batter better. If you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing. How much ground would a groundhog hog if a groundhog could hog ground? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How many berries could a bearberry carry if a bearberry could carry berries? If 2 witches would watch 2 watches, which would watch which watch? Which watch? I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. A big black bug bit a big black bear. But where is the big black bear that the big black bug bit? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? She stood on the balcony, inexplicably mimicking him hiccuping and she stood on the balcony, inexplicably mimicking him hiccuping and amicably welcoming him in. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my butter better.